Hello. So this is the demo of contact list application that I have built using React. Okay. So basically, on load of this particular application, you will be seeing this list of contacts. So this list of contacts are fetched from API service called jsonplaceholder.typicode. So from here you will be getting some set of users. Okay. So all this set of operations are dummy call. Okay. Like all API calls are dummy calls here. Okay. So on load, we'll be fetching all the contacts here, and I'm displaying all the contacts in the table of form with delete and update options here. So when I click on update, I can update the user. Okay. Basically, this is just a dummy code. Okay. This won't actually affect the actual API details there. So I can add a new contact here as well. Okay. So add it. So I can delete the contact as well. So I can delete. So this is basically a CRUD operation of contact list using React. Okay. So if we go to the back end, so this is the structure of my application. Okay. So this is my app component. So inside this app component, I'm importing contacts component. Okay. So if you go to the contacts, so in this contacts, if you can see use effect on page load, I'm fetching the data. Okay. So once I fetch the data, I will be displaying the data that is present in the tabular form. Okay. This is the tabular form of data. And when I click on add button, if you see here, when I click on update button, this add button is not displaying, and the delete option is also not there. Okay, so that is being set using something called show add. So this is the property which is used to implement this functionality. Okay, when I click on update, the delete option won't be present and the add option won't be present, and you will be getting an edit contact option. Okay, when I click on update again, so that option will come back. That update option, sorry, the delete option as well as add contact option will come back. Okay, that is being taken care using add contact show add. So users will be used for fetching all the users, and loading will be used for showing the details after the details are fetched from the API call. Okay, and user will be used for only fetching a particular user. When I click on update, only a particular user has to be updated, right? So fetch that particular user and using this user property. Okay, so once I click on this add, so I need to add these details, right? So this is a form, right? So this form is another component here. Okay, so this is the add component, like add contact component. So here in this add add contact component, I have a form with name as well as email as my inputs. Okay, so once I add this name and email, I will be clicking on submit button on that button submit, right? So this add contact function is called. So this add contact function is again present in contacts component here. Okay, contacts component. So it will add, okay, a contact. So if I want to delete a contact, I can, if I click on delete button, so this particular function will be called, and so I will be doing a delete operation. Like I will be calling a delete call on this particular API. Okay, this is for delete and add. Okay, similarly for edit, I need to pass the ID and I need to pass a particular data. Okay, so if I have 10 details, I need to pass only the particular row of data, right? So I'm passing that here. I'm even doing put. So all these calls are dummy calls. Okay, these won't affect the actual details in the backend. Okay, so this is it in the backend. Okay, and this is in the front. So this is it about my contact list application. Thank you.